Don't worry about it. What? Right. White? White. No, I'm sure I meant right. We're in Jack's Blue Plate. It's on Magsaysay. It's next to, what's that hotel?
Villa Caceres.
The Caceres, Villa Caceres Hotel. It's literally about 3 minutes away from the hotel. Very nice. Very, very nice indeed. And we've come here because we were invited by my friend Robert. No, it's not Robert. I'm on.
It actually is, but
Oh, it is Robert. Oh, right, it's Rob. Yeah, it's short for Robert.
Okay.
That didn't work, did it? Okay. So and Mary is it Mary? Mary. And they're actually married, but they've come back to the Philippines because Mary wants to renew the vows in church. It's a family thing. It's a Filipino thing, and they've actually invited me. Yeah, I know, big mistake, but
Just only you.
they seem happy with it. I mean, they don't realise I'm going to actually just come on my own and leave Mel at home. So anyway, I mean, we're made up for them both. A lovely couple. We've been here, what, over half an hour, and it seems like all day, doesn't it? Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to ask them a few questions. Obviously, we've been asking them questions. So, how long you two lovebirds been together?
since 2017, 6 years.
7 years.
7 years. Typical women, isn't it?
How many days?
Yeah. How many days, hours, minutes?
Oh.
Do you know, I can never remember. I can never remember dates, and I'm terrible.
Yeah. 2017, I guess that's 7 years.
So, and you got married, was it a civil wedding in the US or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was difficult during full COVID. You know, they were not doing weddings. We had to drive to Arizona. We live in Southern California, so we had to drive
Right.
to another state where they were issuing licenses. All the offices were closed.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Yeah.
So it was tough.
Everything shut down.
Yeah.
So you've come over here to renew your vows. You've done all the paperwork and everything. You get married this Saturday.
Yep.
So we're on Wednesday today, aren't we?
Wednesday now.
Yeah. So we've got a couple of days, and I mean, they actually brought an invitation, but if they hadn't given me, I was just going to crash the wedding anyway. So. No, I'm only joking, guys. I'm only joking. You know what I'm like by now. So, Rob, like me, is not in a position to retire. He's got another 5 years like me to go before he's going to retire. So they're looking to maybe have a place here and commute between the US and the Philippines. It's not that far away, really, is it? 5 years, it'll pass in a blink of
Yeah,
an eye.
time flies quickly.
Yeah.
Mary's been with us in the US 3 years. And
Yeah.
that seems like yesterday, pretty
Hey.
much.
Well, you're not on camera, babe.
Still one with nachos.
Oh, we have nachos.
We have nachos, guys. Look at that. That's the starter. That's good. We've got a pitcher of iced tea. I've ordered battered fish. I've never known battered fish to be on a menu, so I'm trying to lose weight. So we're gonna try some light stuff. So how long are you here for, Rob? How long? When did you arrive, and how long are you staying for?
Arrived in Naga 3 days ago.
Yeah, Sunday.
And Sunday, and then we're leaving Sunday back to Manila, and then flying to Boracay for a week.
Boracay.
Yeah, and then back to the U.S.
Do you still have to have the nose checked, the swab?
The swab test, no.
No.
There's no need for that now.
Only
Yeah,
the card.
that's
Yeah.
good.
The vaccination card and
Required vaccination.
yeah, and then
There's
e-travel Here.
She's Philippine passport, so she doesn't need anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very
Just
smooth.
e-travel. Everyone needs an e-travel QR code. Foreigner needs to have, in order to get that, you have to have upload your or input your vaccination status.
You have to give
No, that's
proof
swab
of
test.
vaccination status.
All you have to do is input the dates. I didn't have to upload my card. I was kind of surprised at that.
My understanding is that you don't need to do that anymore. All you need to do is take a swab test 24 hours before
Well,
you leave the US.
if you're not vaccinated,
Yeah.
then you have to do that.
Right.
If you're vaccinated,
Okay.
you don't need to do that.
Right. So I got you.
We were here last year, and so we had to be vaccinated. There was no coming in whatsoever without that. So,
Yeah.
so we're vaccinated.
Okay. So, just one last question, because I don't want to bore everybody, including yourself. Are we having some kind of reception after? Is there going to be food and
Absolutely.
everybody's going to drink and be merry?
We
Merry?
have
Merry.
Yeah.
reception at the Royal Molina. It's a really nice venue. I toured it. She toured it last week. I toured it yesterday. It's really beautiful. Nice meal, open bar.
Where is
It's
it?
gonna be
Royal Emilina.
yeah.
Beside of near in City Hall. You remember my sister?
Oh, we've been there, haven't we?
Yeah, my
We've been
sister-
there.
My sister met
Yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's nice. It's
Yeah,
really
it's
nice
nice
there. Yeah, I know where it is. I know it is, yeah.
It should be pretty festive event.
Mm.
We met with the whole wedding staff yesterday.
okay.
The wedding coordinator we had a meeting with all I call them department heads. Hair and makeup, flowers, MC, and
How many family are you expecting to turn up?
about 105.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. How have you found your relationship so far? What do you think's the difference off the top of your head between a Western woman and a Filipina?
Well,
And just be careful because you're
Yeah.
sat here, okay?
I think. Well, I'm trying to get I want to give you a considered answer because I don't want to lump everybody into one bit.
Yeah. Your experience.
But for me, Mary's, I have a little bit more emotional swings, high and low, and she's really good, and she never gets too excited. Even if I get excited,
Yeah.
she doesn't get.
Yeah,
Right?
that sounds a bit like
She
Mel.
keeps everything level.
Nothing
And,
seems to bother her
Right.
at all.
And of course, I love the big family.
Yeah, that's what I like. Instant family. Oh, I'll never put that back.
And she's happy being together. That's her primary.
What can you think of regards interaction that, because you've been married before, obviously, we all have, we've been there, got the t-shirt. What's the kind of difference, do you think, with the interaction with the Filipina than what there is a Western woman? Is there anything you can say is different?
I think different is, I think the Filipina is accustomed, this is going to sound not, going to sound sexist, but they're more accustomed to being supportive. They're looking to be led. They're looking for the man to be the leader of the family.
Right.
Where I think in a Western, I think it's more prevalent that you have people more of a 50-50 partner on,
Oh yeah,
on
yeah,
everything.
yeah.
And which I was okay with that. That didn't bother me. any which way. But I think that is a difference in terms of that I think average Filipina is comfortable and happy having the man steer the relationship.
Absolutely. Yeah. Right, guys. Sorry, we started eating the food because it was coming in drips and drabs. So Mel's got some carbonara.
Yeah.
Carbonara. And what did you have?
Sisig.
Sisig. And tacos.
Tacos are gone.
Yeah.
Fish fillet.
This is fish fillet.
I just forgot the Shanghai.
Shamai, yeah, I love it.
Lumpia
Yeah,
Shanghai.
lumpia, it's really nice, really nice.
Yeah.
The fish is interesting.
Nachos.
Yeah, and nachos. So that's it. Congratulations to the couple, Maria and Rob, and hope everything goes well on Saturday. If I'm there, probably not.
Rain, right?
Yeah.
It's not rain.
Yeah, we hope it doesn't rain.
Yeah.
No.
Even if there's rain, it'll be okay.
So it's over to my wife.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share
Our videos.
Bye guys.
Bye. Say bye-bye. Let's get that spot on your face. Hi everybody, we're pretty excited. YouTube has given us super thanks.
Yeah.
So now, when you're watching a video, it doesn't have to be a live video. You go down to the bottom of the video and click on the thanks and the heart, then you can send us a coffee. We'll very much appreciate
Our
it.
pizza, chocolate.
If you want to support our channel, or you're just really pleased with the video you just watched, you can send us a copy. We'll really appreciate it.
Yeah.
If not, just continue to support us, watch your videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye! Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines!
Just like the street lights lit this town.